Chair of the EU Turkish Civic Commission, EUTCC, Kariane Westrheim. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Erem. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. So could you please comment on the latest developments, the speculations on social media about Kurdish leader Öcalan, and what is Turkey aiming by isolating Mr. Abdullah Öcalan, as Mr. Öcalan haven't been seeing his lawyers last 324 days now? What is your updates and comments about that?
I guess the aim of keeping Mr. Öcalan in solitary confinement is a fear for, or it's a way to control the Kurdish people. As long as he's there, they don't have direct communication with their leader, which is basically very important for the freedom movement as such. So speculations about his life and health is not new. There have been speculations before, and of course the Kurds and also the people who are supporting the Kurds are very concerned about the latest allegation. They have in a way blushed up again. So I think it's important now to clarify the reality or the facts about his situation. And the Afrin law office have demanded to get access to him, to visit him. And I'm very pleased that the Afrin law office, they are mapping the situation all the time.
As a EUTCC, you have published a statement today. It has your sign as a chair and Ms. Tersim Dağdeviren as a board member as well. Could you please, very briefly, in a minute, can you please give us some information about the statement?
Yeah, the EUTCC have in the latest, after the latest conferences in their resolutions, we have constantly mentioned Öcalan and the responsibility of the European institution like the Council of Europe, CPT, and asked or urged for more engagement from the institutions, which they are very inactive, even though the CPT sent out its report in 2020, which was promising, but nothing happens actually. So in a way, the Kurds have to take this on their own hands, because it's not for the engagement and the activity of the Kurds on this issue, nothing is actually changing. Turkey should really release Öcalan, and they should be worried, because if anything happens to Öcalan, his health, that he is murdered or that he dies for other reasons, there will be a massive uprising. And I think, I hope that Turkey will reflect on that, because the consequences of such an act towards Öcalan, which can cause his life, the consequences will be huge.
Thank you.
So I hope Turkey will consider to as a first step, open up and let him have visits by his lawyers and family, and as a second step, release him.
Dear Kariane Westrheim, Chair of the EU Turkish Civic Commission, thanks for joining us. Thank you for your comments today.
Thank you for inviting me again. It's my pleasure.
Thanks.